Hello team, so let's get started with our Genesis template. This is the beta version. We'll be presented with an instruction pop-up shortly. So we need to click Genesis menu and authenticate, and then after allowing access, we need to click again to set some triggers. So this is the authentication. And for each template, the user will have to go through this for each new template. Done. This would set the triggers and also update our menu, but we need to refresh this document. So let's refresh. Now we automatically get the pop-up to replace our content, so let's do that. Ref. So do not worry about this date format. I know you wanted DD, MM, and Y, but on the document we'll get the same format. So lead, email, client. Data is replaced, and also we have options. We got the options in our Genesis menu. Let's try out first. We can see that all our placeholders are replaced with the data. Let's try out with our golden text. So on this, whichever is selected will be pulled onto the sheet. So if this is selected and then we click add paragraph, this will be pulled. Here it is, and same goes with the other. Project management, select a para, joint. Okay, so let's try our tables. First, we wanna copy table from external source and see if that works. Update styles. Okay, this is converted. Let's pull from our table 2. This is done. Let's check out our images. Image 1 and image 2. So we need to caption both. So this is caption 2, this is caption 1. Okay. Okay, finally about the terms and table of contents. So how do we get it updated is, let's say I have added a new subheading, and also let's just do it with subheading 4, and then one here as well, like another method of implementation. The user would have to go to the table of contents and then refresh it so the new data is updated. Actually, there is no way to programmatically refresh this. And once done, the user could actually update TOC and the styles would update. Okay, finally, there's no need to actually do this one by one. So let me add few more content and then show you what I mean. We have 6 here. And then we have our table from external source. Sorry. We have one image. We have one image. So we might wanna update this, and then all we have to do is update styles and everything else would update. So this includes our table of contents formatting style and updating our external source table to our formatting, and also getting the caption done. You see caption 1 here. Thank you so much.